Hello friends, welcome to our channel Avisan Fefatka. Today we came to see a beautiful dam in Nashik which is built on Darana River, Darana Dam. It's really beautiful. You can see the doors. Wow. So let us walk and see this beautiful dam. We'll go closely and watch. Now these are small doors. Number of doors are there. First what we have seen the big doors, and now these are the small doors. It's a very long time. Wow, you can see the water is coming from all the doors. Wow, it looks so beautiful. When the construction is super and strong, you can see this is a rock construction. So let us go on the top side and we'll see the water. How is the water? Wow, the water is so clean. Super. This is the walking path. So this dam is built on the Darana River. You can see the water is very clean. So if you want to see this dam, then simply put the GPS Darana Dam and GPS will take you here. From the Nashik it is hardly I think 50 kilometers. So if you're fond of traveling, do come and see this beautiful location, beautiful dam. You can see the water which is coming out from the door is just passing through. And here we have found our old train which do not want to leave his house. You can see the stems are almost came out, but he don't want to leave his house. So let us respect for this tree. If you liked our small video, press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon for future notification. We'll meet in our next episode. Until then, take care, stay safe. Thank you.